Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you 6 styles you could do when you have an allegedly failed twist out. So if you're new here, as usual, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you do not miss any time I post. So the first style you will see in a second. So this is a flat twist out, and I still have two of my flat twists in front from the original pictures in the beginning. Second style is going to be a fro, flat twist style fro. So I'm just taking down the hair and then I'm just going to let it fro. And sometimes just a little red lipstick does the trick. Three is just flat twist in front with a puff. So I'm still using the same lines I had from the flat twist that you saw in the beginning, and I'm not using any gels, I'm not using any products, I'm not even combing the hair, I'm just twisting the front, flat twisting the front. In style 4, what I'm doing here is a halo braid with a fro. So halo braid is going to be like my cornrow, but I try to make it slightly bigger, but I don't know if it worked out. Let me know what you think about these styles. Have you ever salvaged your failed twist out? Let me know in the comments which of the 6 styles you're going to be doing. So style 5 is my good old Hypo. This style has saved all failed hairstyles. You know, when the style is not working, just put it in a Hypo and you're gone. So this is just a quick Hypo you can do. And all the styles take a minimum of 1 minute, maximum of 5 minutes. They're really quick styles that you could do and just go. Last but not the least is my high puff with sequins. So what I did here was I just wrapped the sequins rope around my puff, making it look like a bun. And yeah, this is a style you could do on a night out if you want to add some glam into your look. This is a quick style you could do. So let me know in the comments which of these styles would you be trying, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching. Have a good day. Bye.